All right, hey guys, we're going to go ahead and get spinning here, find out who our winners are this week. First up, we have Jamira. Let's see who we have next. Next up, we have Alex. Congratulations, guys. Let's spin her again. Oh, we got Alex again, so let's go ahead and spin once more. Must mean Alex had a lot of raffle entries this week. All right, and Riley. You know what, guys? Since it is the very end of October, we're going to do a bonus spin. Let's see who we get. And we got Delaney. Awesome job, guys. Congratulations. So Jamira, Alex, Riley, and Delaney, keep an eye on your mailboxes this week. I will be sending you a little something special. Great job, guys.